Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're keeping things light, simple, yet irresistible, delicious with a dish that's perfect for any time of the day, tofu steak. This dish is a fantastic way to enjoy tofu with a savory sauce that you'll find yourself craving time and again. Let's get cooking! First up, we need to press the tofu to remove excess water. If you are using firm tofu, you can skip this step. But for silken tofu, it's crucial to ensure it holds up better when cooking. Wrap the tofu in 2 layers of kitchen paper, kind of like you are wrapping a present. Place it on a microwave-safe dish and microwave at 500 watt for about 1.5 minutes until it's slightly warm. The reason why place tofu is because tofu is full of water, and without pressing, your dish might end up too watery, affecting the texture and diluting the flavors. Placing not only prevents crumbling but also ensure a better texture and flavor absorption. Cut the tofu in 4 equal pieces and coat each piece evenly with all-purpose flour. This helps prevent the tofu from breaking apart while frying. Heat sesame oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the tofu until it's golden brown on both sides. While the tofu is cooking, mix the sauce. Once the tofu has a nice color, add the sauce and cook until the tofu is well coated and the sauce has thickened slightly. Then take it off the heat. Serve the tofu steaks on a plate, garnished with green onions and bonito flakes. And there you have it! A beautiful flavorful dish that's sure to impress. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you love this tofu steak recipe as much as we do. It's a simple yet flavorful packed dish that's sure to become a go-to in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our culinary adventure. Happy cooking everyone! Bye bye!